Hi guys, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. On this channel, we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button as well as the thumbs up button. Guys, with Bitcoin crossing over $11,000 yesterday, we are seeing the Bitcoin futures soaring. BAKKT, which we recently talked about on this channel, had $0 in Bitcoin trades, right? The options market where they were not seeing any type of volume. Now, all of a sudden, boom, our BAKKT Bitcoin futures reached a new record high of 11,509 contracts traded today. Each contract equals 1 Bitcoin, an increase of 85% from our last record-setting day. Very interesting all of a sudden, right? And it could be because of the bullish news we got from the OCC that banks can custody crypto, and now we're seeing the bullish momentum from that news. But who knows, right? Because we're also in that bull market where after the Bitcoin halving historically, we see that bullish momentum going upwards. And also the CME saw its futures hit an all-time high of $724 million. So there's a lot of activity here, and that's a good sign. Open interest in CME's group's cash settled Bitcoin futures has hit an all-time high of $724 million amid Bitcoin's price rise. The spike in open interest, or the value of outstanding derivative contracts that are yet to be settled, suggests that more money is flowing in the market and traders are expecting a near-term rise in Bitcoin's volatility. The previous all-time high open interest was around 532 million, which was recorded in May, and that was around the Bitcoin halving. So let's see, like I said, guys, we got to let these things play out. Bitcoin could crash back down to 9,000 again. It's certainly possible, but it's trending upwards, right? We are headed to new all-time highs because of the supply and demand economics here, right? The stock to flow model. And we've seen the supply get cut in half at the halving, and we see the institutional demand is on the rise. So you're going to see the value of Bitcoin increase. And of course, Bitcoin is the rising tide that lifts all boats, and the altcoins would move with it. We've seen it time and time again. And I'm very bullish on it and on Bitcoin and the market. So let's see how things progress. I'm a long-term hodler, so I'm not worried so much about weekly and daily and even the monthly. Guys, I'm looking from a yearly standpoint for my to make some money, to see the return on my investment. Now, we got some updates here around why Bitcoin is moving up a bit too from some other folks, their perspective. And it says here, the title of the article, Mainstream People Coming to Bitcoin, Digital Assets Data CEO says. Digital Assets Data CEO Mike Alfred explains increased Bitcoin interest from a number of parties. So let me give you the details. We are seeing more signs of increased institutional interest, Alfred told Cointelegraph of Bitcoin on July 28th, the day after Bitcoin rose more than $1,000 in a 24-hour period. Crypto's pioneer asset had a standout day on July 27th, rising from $9,930 to $11,400 within a single day daily price candle, according to TradingView.com data. Volume was strong on BAKKT and CME yesterday, Alfred said on July 27th, referencing two mainstream traditional financial entities housing Bitcoin trading products. The analytics company CEO also noted that other inquiries from the traditional financial world. Anecdotally, we are receiving a lot more inbound requests from traditional firms looking to get into the space quickly. That is very bullish right there, guys. He said, I continue to be bullish, he added. And I love to hear that, guys. A lot of these traditional financial firms on Wall Street and a lot of family offices and pensions and so forth are coming into the market. And they're going to be buying up as much as they can because they see the opportunity here to make significant returns. And like I always say, we are here on the side of smart money before the masses get in. And they're usually considered the dumb money, right? Because they usually FOMO in. They're not doing their research. They're not here early buying the dips. Not financial advice, of course. So great to see that the demand continues to rise. And that's a great great sign. Now, moving ahead to Ethereum, guys, we got some news here. It seems like the updates for Ethereum keep getting delayed. I mean, it's just been crazy. So, announcing the ETH 2 Validator launch, testnet version. Finally, some progress here, right? So, of course, ETH 2.0 is coming, guys, where it's going to be proof of stake, of course. Obviously, a lot of improvements for scaling and all of that. So I'm excited to at least see some progress here because things have been so delayed. I'm bullish on Ethereum as a smart contract platform. As you guys know, they are also building a bridge between Ethereum and XRP, which I think is going to be beneficial to both respective coins. And this has been publicly made by the folks at Ripple of what they're doing, and they all got their developers working together. So excited to see what is going to come out of this. But I'm bullish on both Ethereum and XRP. And just as a reminder, what this was each challenge has an interoperability theme with a focus of building bridges between XRP ledger and Ethereum over the interledger protocol. So we could see some integration of DeFi with XRP and different types of settlements and so forth there, guys. I don't have all the details, and we don't have all the details, so we'll have to see. Here they elaborated. We think the XRP to ETH and ERC20 tokens bridge is important since XRP is one of the most liquid cryptocurrencies in the world, but doesn't have a compute layer to support complex smart contracts for the growing decentralized finance DeFi market on Ethereum. That right there tells a lot, right? DeFi is going to be big. Ethereum is, of course, the smart contract platform with first mover advantage. A lot of folks building on it. And XRP brings the settlement, the liquidity. And I'm excited to see, once again, what comes out of this. So great to see some progress here for Ethereum. And, you guys recall you got to have 32 ETH to stake once things get going there. But I hope things move faster, man. I mean, goodness, a lot of delays. But let's see what happens. I digress. So what do you guys think about this news? Certainly very, very bullish to see the activity around futures increasing on CME and BAKKT. And more demand rising from institutional investors. That's a great sign. Like I said, cut in the demand what they're having, growing institutional demand, and that will increase the price. Any retail will FOMO in again. I think once Bitcoin hits that $20,000 mark again, you will see mass FOMO. So guys, what do you think about this news? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all later.